DoorDash applications get stuck on background checks, primarily due to ID verification issues and system overload, especially during peak seasons. DoorDash requires a background check to ensure drivers meet safety and legal criteria. Common reasons include blurry or expired IDs, mismatches with submitted personal information, and high application volumes overwhelming the system. The background check process involves identity verification and compliance checks. The good news is, in 2025, DoorDash is using AI verification to speed up the process, reducing average times from 7 to 10 days to 3 to 5 days. If your DoorDash application is stuck, first log into the app and ensure all documents, especially your driver's license or government ID, are up to date and clear. Resubmit them if needed. Deleting and reinstalling the app can sometimes reset glitches. If the issue persists, contact DoorDash support via email or chat for personalized assistance. If nothing else works, wait about 30 days and reapply. Remember, accurate initial submissions are key to preventing delays, and keep an eye out for potential biometric ID verification, which DoorDash hopes to be implementing by 2026.